I definitely don't mind giving you tips every day, okay, on my YouTube channel and posting these videos on my Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, whatnot, when it comes to Live Good, okay? I'll have about 500 people signed up in my group by summertime, okay? And right now it's April, May, June, July, August, September. Give me 3, 4 months. I should have around 500 people just personally signed up in my group, okay? And then each person hopefully will take my advice or my tips that I show you here just about every day. I love to do anywhere from 2 to 5 videos a day. I'd do even more if I had more time. I'm a big fan of video, okay? So what I want to do is just show you what I do, okay? I make Live Good so frickin' easy. You do not need to overcomplicate it, okay? So let's begin, okay? And thanks for watching my videos. Okay, if you watch these darn things called videos often, and I mean over the last year or two, I always show you my business card that I made at Vistaprint. Okay. Now these things are cheap, 20 bucks for a big old box, and I don't go door knocking and handing these out everywhere, but if somebody brings up Live Good at a party, or it could be just while I'm getting gas, or maybe somebody runs into me at the store and they look at my Facebook posts and they just always ask, what's this Live Good thing? Okay, I noticed that you're doing a lot of posts about it. What is it? Well, what I do is I just say, go to joincory.com because there's a video made. Not my video. It's a company video that is made by Live Good. Okay, it is by Ben Glinsky. He's our CEO. Okay, now I'm going to take you through the journey here. After I invite people to joincory.com, I bought this domain for about 11 bucks at GoDaddy, and then they forward this link for free to the page I'm going to show you. Because if you join Live Good as an affiliate, you're going to have the exact same setup I have. I don't switch anything with Live Good. The only difference is going to be whatever domain you want to have people click or type in and go to. Okay, so Vistaprint business cards, maybe 20 bucks. joincory.com was open, so I bought it for about 11 bucks. Okay, Cory at corydraper.com. That's my email. I got it clear back in the early 90s. Guys, 3,500 years ago. I use my real email address. I have nothing to hide with Live Good. I meet the nicest people. Okay, and I don't mind if you ask me questions. If I can help you out, awesome. Okay, so joincory.com. Now, let me just go ahead and type it in. Now, in the middle of your screen there, you can see the handsome guy there in blue, okay? This is the exact same page you're going to have. Now, what you can do is put anything custom right there. See where it says Cory Draper's website? If you have a business, or if your name is Bob Thomas, or maybe you have a Cory's Health Food Store. Okay, I just put Cory Draper's website, and I like my email address to be Cory at corydraper.com. And believe it or not, I even own corydraper.com. Okay, I like to brand myself so that you know me as a person. Okay, I have other things going on besides Live Good. I want you to know my personality. Where do I live? What other businesses do I do? Okay, I don't have to fake it to make it with Live Good. I just don't. It works. The products are awesome. The money is there, and it's cheap as hell to join. It's 40 bucks to be an affiliate and $9.95 a month. But it all starts with this page. This is just called like the landing page or the capture page. This is where my goal is just put in your name and your email address and click that little orange button there, reserve my position. And you're just going to get an email from Live Good, information about products, opportunity. And if you want to join Live Good, just open up that email and join from there. Now here's the email, or I'm sorry, here is the video that I might send you an email about. Hey, this is Cory. You know what? If you're looking for an opportunity, please check this out. You go to joincory.com. This is a YouTube video. You can tell by the button there. This is the video made by Live Good. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds long, and it has Ben Glinsky, our CEO, telling you about the products, the opportunity, where we're going, where we've been, everything in less than 6 minutes. I've signed up over 400 people this way, and I'll have 500 by summer. Okay, that's all I do. Okay, so to repeat, joincory.com. You click that link, you go exactly right here. And if you want more information about Live Good, well, by gosh almighty, why don't I tell you what I recommend you do? Okay, to look at this opportunity products-wise and opportunity-wise as an affiliate. Okay, like I said, every single affiliate pays $40 one time, and that is it. There's no more, and there's more. You don't pay $40 a year. You pay $40 one time, and as long as you're a member for $9.95 a month, guys, you're an affiliate and a member. You can buy all these products for wholesale. So I always tell people to go to 3 tabs. Okay, the first one is the products tab. Now check out all our products. Hit any of these white little rectangle buttons. You'll get the ingredients, the pricing as far as just normal price, retail, or if you want to get the wholesale pricing. Okay, shipping is all handled by the United States Post Office here in the United States. And if you live outside of the United States, I think almost all of our shipping is all done by DHL International. Okay, so anyway, DHL International with tracking in the United States Post Office. Okay, so anyway, go through all our products. And remember, you got 3 months, 90 days to go ahead and purchase any of these products and get your money back. Even if you buy lean here, or the multivitamins, or let's just say Super Reds, Super Greens, okay, the protein powder, any of these products. Guys, you get 3 months. 90 days, no questions asked, just send the packages even empty. Even if you buy the t-shirts and the hats. All right, if you don't like them, just send them back, get your money back. Okay, so I always want people to go to the products tab. Now, the second thing I want you to do is go to the FAQ. Okay, right there on the left of your screen, see where it says FAQ? Click it and you can see all the frequently asked questions. Go through every one of them. Okay, that way you can just sit at 3 in the morning or 3 in the afternoon and totally check out all the questions. And if they're answered right there, boom, all you got to do is click. Now, the third thing I always want people to do, boom, 333, is to go to the very bottom of your cell phone or your web page. It's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Okay, it tells you how we get paid as an affiliate on the membership side. Because see, we're a wholesale-based company. We don't make you, force you to buy a bunch of overpriced products that you have to pretend to sell to grandma. Okay? You don't have to buy a darn thing to earn money with us. We're a membership-based website like Amazon Prime, Costco, even like a Netflix. Everything's about membership, okay? Now, read about the 7 ways we get paid, but please do this. This is by far the easiest thing, and I wish LiveGood would actually put this video at the top, because I think this is the easiest way. Watch the YouTube video. Say hello to this pretty girl. Sit back. Just watch the video about the pay plan. If you don't understand it, watch it again. If you don't understand it, watch it again. 2 or 3 times, you're going to know the pay plan as well as I do. And I've been doing this 2 years. Okay? So, number 1, I always want people to go to joincory.com, enter your name and your email address in, and watch that 6-minute video. And then please go ahead and go to the pay plan link.
Let's talk about the LiveGood affiliate compensation plan.
Now watch, let me just show you
First,
here.
everyone has 2 genealogies.
See how easy it is? Just hit play. Just let the videos do all of the training and the recruiting and all the stuff that you're not going to want to do. Most people don't even want to do a video like I'm doing right here, where you just turn on a webcam, kind of chat a little bit, and then boom, just invite people to your link. Okay, so if your name is, I don't know, let's say Bob Thomas, join bobthomas.com, workwithbobthomas.com, workwithbobnow.com, whatever. Okay, I just think it's funner to have like little custom names. I recommend GoDaddy because it's a live person you can actually call and they can help you. And then just tell them your LiveGood capture page link. Okay, and you'll get that. You'll figure all this stuff out, and I'll help you too if you join, especially in my group. It's super easy, guys. Okay, so anyway, $10. That's all it is a month. $9.95. You get a nickel back. Everybody can afford LiveGood. $40 one time, 2 $20 bills. Rub them together for good luck and invest them in yourself. Okay, if you have extra money, please buy the products. Okay, the products are awesome. You're not going to beat the pricing. The ingredients, they're super, super high-powered ingredients. Almost everything we do is organic, of course, too, okay? So, and get your money back. Remember, you got 90 days, 3 months. No questions asked. Get your money back, okay? That's what I like about LiveGood. That's what brought me in. I was buying the products first. I became an affiliate and didn't even take it serious for a month. And now here it is. I almost have 400 or 500 people signed up just by doing the same thing every single day. Go to joincory.com. Thanks for your time. Done, okay? All right, guys, thanks for the last 10 minutes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And yeah, if you don't mind, go to joincory.com. All right, that's my goal, and I want you to do the exact same thing I do. That way you can duplicate, make things fun, make things easy, and of course you want to make some of this, don't you? Okay, guys, take care. We'll see you next video.